Hi lovely people, welcome to Learn with Hassan. Today I'm here to show you how you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. How you can delete your WhatsApp account permanently. Without wasting my time, let's start by opening our WhatsApp account here. Now after opening the account, you go to settings. At the upper right corner there's three dots there. You tap on it and you tap on settings, then you go to account, then you go to the very last option, which is delete my account here. So when you come here, you are supposed to type in your phone number here. So I will type my number here. So after you type your number, then you tap on delete my account, and it will send you to this section that you tell them the reason why you are deleting your account. Then you tap on it, you have a drop down like this, you tell them the reason why. So for me, I'll tap on, or I'll choose I'm changing my device here. The second option is it's optional, so if you like can answer. If you feel like stopping, you can do so too. So after that, you tap on delete my account, and a warning message will be given to you here. Proceed to delete your account. Deleting your account is permanent. Your data cannot be recovered if you reactivate your WhatsApp account in the future. So it tells you that you will not be able to recover all your files when you want to, or when you decide to reactivate your account some time to come. So if it's okay for you, then you tap on delete my account. And now, as you can see, the account has been deleted. We don't have any WhatsApp account again. So this is the WhatsApp I used. When you come here, it is telling me to agree and continue and the rest. So the WhatsApp account has been deleted permanently. I don't have any WhatsApp account with this same number again. So this is how you delete your WhatsApp account permanently. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that next time when we upload a new video like this, you will be the first person to watch. Thank you for watching. Until we meet again, bye bye.